Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief, and America is celebrating its 250th birthday. And today I'm going to show you a grilled cheese sandwich that I call the Sky High grilled cheese sandwich. Guaranteed it's going to be the best grilled cheese sandwich you've ever made. And you can make it right out in your backyard on your gas flat top. So to get started, we're going to place our Texas toast on our flat top. Drizzle a little bit of butter before you put your bread on your flat top. Then take 3 slices, place them on your flat top. And you're gonna let this toast for just about maybe a minute. Okay, turn it over when you start to see it get a little golden brown. Then on each slice of bread, you're gonna place a slice of cheddar, pepper jack cheese, and American cheese. You're gonna let that melt slightly. Then to kick it up a notch, you're going to place 3 cheese sticks on the bottom. Place that center piece on top of that. Then place 3 more cheese sticks in an opposite direction. This way your sandwich sits nice and high. Place that right on top. Now look at that. If that's not the best grilled cheese sandwich you've ever had, I don't know what is. We're going to let this sit on the flat top, and we're going to keep pressing it down, making sure that that cheese is melting. Flip the whole thing over, let that cheese melt. May have to flip it over one more time. Now we're ready to take it off the flat top and place it on a cutting board. Now, first thing you want to do is place 2 skewers at the corners of the sandwich, because once you cut this, it's going to be very difficult to handle. Using a serrated knife, cut the sandwich in half on an angle, and then take your sandwich, place it so that the cut side is facing to one corner. And lastly, I'm going to drizzle this sandwich with a little bit of hot honey. And there you have it. The Sky High grilled cheese sandwich. Enjoy.